was breaking news. After, we reached 700,000 people on TikTok, I decided to do something special to give back to the community. From $10 class, online classes, we decided to drop it to $2 that include fees. So this is a limited time. You know what I'm saying? For only $2 now, you can get one session. For $2, you can get one session, one class, online class. And I promise you, this video you're about to watch, for $2, you're not going to regret it because you're going to learn a lot. So, it's time for you right now to start, tapping into your skills, your talent, your happiness. But you have to learn, because knowledge builds self-confidence. So click the link, purchase your class for only $2. Trust me, you're not going to regret it. This is a special for only 700,000 subscribers.